Hello everybody, it is Steve with SBL Games. Thank you for tuning in. On today's episode we are doing an Xbox One S HDMI port replacement. I've already went ahead and removed the bad port. But before we address that, I'm going to just go ahead and give her a good deep cleaning and get rid of all this old compound on the heatsink and the board. Alright, the APU is cleaned up. The heatsink and the fan are both cleaned up. Alright, let's get these post holes and pins all cleared out so we can get this new HDMI port on. Sorry for the weeble wobbles. There we go. Alrighty. Take my SATA. There we go. Alright. Let's go ahead and secure these posts, get her all bolted up. Alright, so those are the posts, and those are the pins. Let's bolt it up and test it. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment, and if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe.